Hi everyone. So I feel like we can all use a little bit of hope and inspiration right about now in the world. And Dr. Pillai has mentioned that Shreem Brzee is the mantra everyone should be chanting. It can help uplift us internally, mentally, bring us joy, and financially help with our abundance, our material comforts, our basic needs. So Shreem Brzee is the mantra to be chanting now. Some of the new folks have been writing and asking if it works, and we want you to answer it. If you have had any result from the use of Shreem Brzee, we want you to tell your story, be the hero, inspire someone else who's having a hard time right now. And there's a lot of people having a hard time right now. So what I'm asking for you to do and what we're asking at Pillai Center is for you to tell your story. It can be however long or short that you would like, but the basics of what it is kind of where you were before, what you did to get there, and then what result was produced and where you are now. People want to know your process. They want to know what worked for you. They want to know specific things that you did inside the practice. Were you just chanting? Were you also writing? Were you thinking about your goals? You didn't have a goal and something just manifested out of the blue? Whatever it is, there's no wrong or right. But we do want to know what worked for you, and so does the entire Shreem Brzee community, and there are a lot of them out there. So if you're inspired, we're creating an opportunity to share Shreem Brzee success stories from all over the world. Primarily, video is the perfect way to communicate. And this is how we'd like for you to do the format of the video. If you can't do the video and you have to write it down, do that too. Whatever it is, just share your story. However, if you do make a video, we are offering the first 50 people who submit a video that gets approved and accepted a $50 gift code to the Academy at PillaiCenter.com so that you can purchase any course that you want on that website. So how do you make the video? Here's the format. It should be at least 2 minutes in length. You would come on with an introduction, who you are, maybe what you do, a little bit about yourself, just short, to give context of who you are. Like, I'm a Wall Street broker, or I am a house cleaner, or I'm a stay-at-home mom, whatever it is, give context to who you are, what you've been up to, and then say what your situation was like before you chanted Shreem Brzee. So I'm working 9 to 5, kind of miserable. I'm giving you an example, kind of miserable in my job. I start chanting Shreem Brzee. I then get a promotion to a position that I didn't even know I wanted, but now is amazing. I'm actually loving what I'm doing and feeling very fulfilled, all because I did writing, manifesting, and chanting Shreem Brzee as at least 1 hour every day for about 4 months. That's an example of how you could flow. So beginning, you want to introduce yourself, who you are, what position you were in when you started, what the scenario was like when you started. Then what you did, what practice you did in Shreem Brzee, and for maybe how long you did it, and then what got produced, what was the result, what was the after effect. Another example that maybe not be a physical example is I was depressed, not feeling well, felt anxiety all the time, started chanting Shreem Brzee, let it play 24/7 in my consciousness, and in about 15, 30 days, I started feeling a little bit better. I feel less anxiety, less depression. Another 30 days, I started feeling I could have more freedom around my abilities to achieve. Another 30 days, and I am feeling amazing and uplifting and happier than I ever have in my life, period. Right? So that's a couple examples of stories, like kind of the hero's journey of who you are, where you started, what you did with Shreem Brzee, and then where you ended up. And what's important about this is telling people what you did with the use of Shreem Brzee, again, helping them to know what worked for you might work for them. They can do it themselves. We have a lot of free content on the web, in courses for how-to on Shreem Brzee, so there's no shortage of that. There's all the free content you could need to do your Shreem Brzee practice. And we want to inspire people to do it as well as produce results. So if you're inspired to share your success stories, please make the video, upload it onto your personal YouTube channel, send that video link to office@PillaiCenter.com, and place Shreem Brzee Success in the subject line. The staff will review it, and if it's approved, you will receive your $50 gift code for the first 50 people who submit and get an approved video submission And that code can be used for any course on Pillai Center Academy. So we hope that your inspiration can inspire others who can inspire others to create a global revolution of abundance and manifestation for everyone, especially in these trying times. If you have any other suggestions for us and how we can help you and support the community, do write us and let us know. We also have a survey that is out asking those questions. What can we do more for you? What do you want to know? What about Shreem Brzee can we help answer or support you with? So you can help fill that in and we can support you in the best possible way we can right now. I hope everyone's doing amazing. Keep chanting Shreem Brzee, and I hope to see all of your success stories pour in. I'll be watching them. And Dr. Pillai loves, by the way, seeing and hearing about your success stories. It truly inspires him. So we hope to see a lot come in. Thank you. Namaste.